Hi guys, my name is Mendy and welcome to Mendy Cooks Kitchen. Today I am going to show you my favorite Thai dish that my grandma always make it for me. And we are making deep fried pork cake. Alright, let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. Now let's take a look at what we have for the ingredients. First we have minced pork. We have ground coconut meat or you can use coconut flake. Next we have finely sliced kaffir lime leaves. We have roughly chopped lemongrass. Then we have flour. Next we have chili flakes, deep frying oil. And then for seasoning we have fish sauce. And that is all for the ingredients. Let's move on to the cooking part.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้ สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
We will begin with mixing all of the ingredients into our minced pork. First, adding fish sauce. Then chili powder. Then kaffir lime leaves. And lemongrass. Mix all of the ingredients well together with a spoon. Once all of the first lots of ingredients is well mixed, you can add flour. And then add water. Mix again, but gently. And then when the flour and water is mixed well, you can add coconut flake or ground coconut. Alright, now we're gonna start to fry our pork cake. First, you want to set a pan over medium heat and add frying oil. Alright, to begin with, we are going to make meatball from the pork mix that we made earlier. You need about table tennis size of minced mixture that we made, and then put them into your hand and round together with both of your hands to create a ball. Alright, now after we have made the meatball, we're gonna flatten it before we fry it so that it will be nice and crispy and also easy to cook. Now that the bottom part is cooked, you can flip it over. You can tell by the color at the bottom, it turns into brown color. That means it is ready to be flipped. And we're gonna wait again until the other side turn into brown color before we taking them out of the pan, strain out the oil, and serve. To serve, you can just put the deep fried pork cake on a plate and maybe light it nicely on a banana leaf. It will look very nice and appetizing. And once again, you can eat this deep fried pork cake as an appetizer or have it as a side dish. It goes very well with steamed jasmine rice.
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!